Joel Hickerson, grindog.com. Today we're going to talk about how to create an artist's portfolio. I guess the main thing that you want to consider is not giving the client or the school or whoever you're presenting your portfolio, not giving them too much. Keep it simple. When you create your portfolio, go ahead and put everything that you're really proud of and that you really like into your portfolio, and then you can customize the portfolio to the job that you are actually going after. At the front of your portfolio, you're going to want a biography, something that short and sweet, tells a little bit about you, about your background, your work experience, history, etc. And then after that, it'll depend on where you're going. If you're going to a book publisher, you're going to want to put in current examples of things that you have published, or things that you like to get published, or something that you feel is suitable to that publisher. If it's an ad agency, you're probably going to want to put logos, photo work, spreads, any kind of mechanical work you've done down those lines. If it's an art school, you're going to want to put a variety of examples of everything you can do, because they're looking for a broad range of talent that they can develop. Other than that, remember to keep it simple. Only put your good stuff in there, only the stuff that you really like and you're really proud of, and that applies to the client you're going after. Don't put a before and after. Don't put what you drew when you were 2 years old. Nobody wants to see that except your mom. And go in there with an upbeat attitude and know that you can get that job. But as far as your portfolio goes, don't put too much in it. And current is always best. And that's pretty much the best advice I can give you. Keep it simple.